Okay, I assume you've read and worked the problem, so we're going to do another volume and area question. Okay, so we have the region R. We want to find the volume rotated about the horizontal line y equals -2. So we're down here. And horrible, horrible drawing here, but the idea. Okay. So we do have an inner and an outer. So my outer, a of x. Now notice I'm going horizontally, so it's still in terms of x. It's pi. Now my radius to the outside, go to the original, no matter where I draw it, is constant. Now this is the line y equals 4, and this is -2. It's constant distance of 6. So my outer radius is just 6. My inner radius goes from here to that curve. So no matter where I look, here to that inside curve. Now keep in mind this distance is 2, and this distance is the function, f of x. So I want 2 plus f of x as my inner radius. So 0, ooh, we need to find our bounds. So we'll keep that in mind here in a second. But my outer is 36 minus 2 plus, I'm just going to write f of x. I could write out the whole function if I wanted to. Okay, now it says calculator active, so I'm going to use my solve command, or I could actually graph these two and find that intersection point graphically. I believe we just end up getting 2.3 for that x value. All I care about is the x value there. Type that in our calculators, we end up getting 98.868. And part A is worth, 4 points. 4 points. Part B, let me actually take another picture of this problem. Okay, part B, we have base of a solid. They're cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis. So we are going this way, perpendicular to the x-axis. Isosceles right triangles, okay, with a leg in R. Okay, so we've got that. Same thing, so isosceles. So that's what they're looking like. Right there. Oops. Let's try that one again. Ah! Okay, so we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Just so happens that our base and height are the same because it's isosceles triangle. So looking at my picture, the base goes from that line of 4 to f of x. So that side, the base, will be 4 minus f of x. But so is the height, it's isosceles. So my area formula is 1/2 4 minus f of x squared. Base times height is the same thing. Okay, so in my interval, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the 1/2. You don't have to. I have 4 minus f of x squared dx, still going from 0 to 2.3. And it says, see, find the volume, so I use my calculator. I get about 3.574. 3 points for that part. 3 points. Okay. Now part D is worth 2 points, I believe. Yep. But a lot of people missed part D and they really just overthought it. Way too much. The people who I've seen work this problem overthought it. Okay. So it says the vertical line x equals k divides the regions into 2 equal areas. So somewhere in here, we're going to divide that x equals k. And they're going to have equal areas on both sides. Write, but do not solve an equation involving integrals where solution gives the value of k. So it's saying this area should be equal to this area. They divide it into equal sections. Okay, so the first area is still top minus bottom, 4 minus f of x, top minus bottom, dx. And that should be equal to the other one, top minus bottom, 4 minus f of x, dx. Now this one will go from 0 to k. This one will go from k to that 2.3 we found earlier. And boom, that's it. That's 2 points. And a lot of people miss that because they really overthink that one.